I'm so excited. I want to go to Disneyland.
Where are we? We're at the Raw. I wonder if that's gonna be backwards in the video. I don't know
What?
happens. Anyway, so
Here.
we're here at Raw, and we're at soundcheck, and
I sound checked.
it's, it is fabulous.
Come get in,
oh my
come get in.
gosh! Oh my goodness!
We got to get in videos because we've been videoing.
We're
This is, wow, superstar in the making. Going to perform tonight at the Raw Awards. This is Zach Gray.
Rings.
Rings. We're here for Rings.
We need some
repping
rings. We need
Sacramento.
Sacramento.
We're very proud.
Super
Have you
excited.
soundchecked yet?
Yeah, sound check.
Oh, we missed it because we
love
were
your
late
sound check.
because we're in
That's good.
traffic.
That's good.
We do.
You
Yeah.
get to see the real thing. You don't get to see the half songs.
And we've already seen your sound checks a lot.
Yes.
Why?
And I love
Maybe
how
too
you
many
guys. Yeah. No, never. Never. Never.
Love
Never.
them.
Never. Never. So we love them. So Sacramento
myself
Raw
in the video.
Awards. Okay. Raw Awards. Rings. We're proud, and we're here to represent. And we'll let you know who the jewelry winner is when April
got it right here.
announces. I know. Can you show me?
Huh?
Is it still a secret?
Yes. Well, I
Okay.
mean, they know, but the world doesn't. So
I'm chewing on gum like a.
we're getting it out.